Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Fortnite on Android. Fortnite has quickly become one of the most popular games in the world, captivating millions of players across different platforms. With its fast-paced action and unique building mechanics, it's no wonder why so many people are eager to experience the game on their smartphones. Before diving into the download process, it's important to ensure that your smartphone is compatible with Fortnite. While the game is available on both iOS and Android devices, there are specific requirements that need to be met. For Android users, compatibility can vary depending on the manufacturer and model of your smartphone. However, in general, your device should have at least 3 gig of RAM and run on Android OS version 8.0 or higher. To check if your device meets these requirements, visit the official Fortnite website or consult the App Store page for more information. Once you've confirmed that your device is compatible with Fortnite, it's time to download the game. It's essential to download Fortnite from official sources to ensure a safe and legitimate installation process. On Android users will need to follow a slightly different process due to the Epic Games' decision to not distribute Fortnite through the Google Play Store. To download Fortnite on Android, visit the official Fortnite website using your smartphone web browser. Locate and tap on the Get In on the Epic Games app button, which will prompt your device to download the Epic Games app installer. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation process. Once you've successfully downloaded the Fortnite app onto your smartphone, it's time to install it. The installation process may vary slightly depending on your device's operating system. Android users who download Fortnite through the Epic Games app installer will need to locate and open the installer file in their device, file manager, or notification panel. You may need to grant permission to install app from unknown sources if prompted by your device's security settings. Follow any additional instructions provided by the installer until you see a notification that Fortnite has been successfully installed. And congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed Fortnite on your smartphone. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.